some mail margin headache, office work, exam or teacher's assignment, here is the painkiller. Score 10 out of 10 and all you need is a template like this one and address list, e.g. mine, and just 2 minutes or even less. Actually, it can be only 30 seconds and you're done. And boom, you're done with everything. Right away, open your template document and click the mailings tab, then start merging. Now, whether you wanted to share mails or letters or emails, this is the point you ought to choose. Now after that, let us show our computer where to get the recipient list. Just browse Mine's on the desktop, then choose the mail merge folder, and here we have it. Just open it, confirm, and then click OK, and then we start. Now let us replace our dashes with relate data. In other words, position your cursor where you want to insert a merge field. For example, here, dear full name, then interview. Remove this dash. Here we need the position of that job. Again, insert merge field, job position, insert. Again, the other place we need is the date of interview. Let's remove this dash. We don't have anything else here. So remove the dash and then insert another field which is date of interview. Again, let us replace time. Replace it and have time of interview. And finally, we have the location. The location. Replace the line with the location. And that's all. So we can choose to format those fields, the inserted field, by maybe underlining them and also bolding them, as I'm going to do. We can probably let the computer know that we are done with merging by clicking Finish Merging. In a matter of microseconds, 11 letters are generated, personalized to different individuals, different job positions, different interview dates and times. That's the power of mail merging. Save the new document, but you don't need to save the template. So right away to File, we get our Save As, then we go to the desktop, then we browse. Let's go to desktop, our folder mail merge, and give it a unique name like merged documents. It will be okay, and then you're gonna save it. So you can close it, but the other one, this is the merged document. You don't need to save this one. Remember, it is just a template. So just close and we are done with mail merging process. Our first meetup, I'll appreciate your subscription. And look, they also enable the bell here to be the first to be notified of our uploads. Otherwise, a comment or a like is a big prayer to support us. Happy wording, happy wording, or excelling. All right.